Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Daffodil Seeds in Heartopia Colorfuls event. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Daffodil Seeds appear on week 2 in the event, and now it's already week 2. So we are able to purchase the Daffodil Seeds at Blanc's Gardening Store. You can open up the gardening challenge here, and there are some quests that you need to complete to join the challenge. We need to buy the daffodil seeds and grow the daffodil seeds and also harvest them. Okay, and you're going to go to Blanc. It's right here at the Waterfall Canyon. Okay, go to this building and you'll find him, and then you're going to go to his store, open up the gardening store, and you can purchase the daffodil seeds here. I'm going to purchase 10, and we have 3 daffodil seeds, red, yellow, and white. And you can only unlock the flower seeds after you reach level 2 guys in your gardening hobby. So make sure you already reach level 2 so you can purchase the flower seed from Blanc's Gardening Store. Okay, and after that you can go to your home and start planting the daffodil seeds. And okay guys, that's how you can unlock the daffodil seeds in Heartopia Colorfuls event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.